Winter came hard and wouldn't let go. Springtime came soft, but we still saw some snow. Girl, I'm so tired of the wind and the cold. All this bad weather, it's sure getting old. The summertime's here, warm breezes rolling. Time for some fun, let the good times begin. We're hanging out in our backyard tonight, and baby, it feels like we found paradise. It's grillin', chillin' and lovin' time, relaxing with friends, having some wine. No worry or stress, we're feeling fine. It's grillin', chillin' and lovin' time. It's grillin', chillin' and lovin' time, yeah. Break out the sauce, fire up the grill, pop off the cork on wine that's been chilled. Throw on some burgers, dogs, and some steaks. Turn up the music as the day fades away. Party lights glare, the moon shining bright, dancing with all our good friends tonight. Pass me another cold glass of wine. The party train's here, and it's right on time. It's grillin', chillin' and lovin' time.